it's Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. I've been really looking forward to actually getting this and actually revealing it to everybody. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been, I talk about books, stationery, and fountain pens, and this is another bookish video, so hopefully you'll stay tuned and watch to the very end. I'm very excited about this unboxing today. Like I said, I've been waiting for it. I've been weighing it on my brain for quite some time, and I finally just went ahead and decided to pull the trigger. Hold on just a second. And because I'm filming in a different location in my space, I cannot put my mic labs on, so I apologize for that. So hopefully everybody can hear me quite well, and I'll try to make sure it's cleaned up in the post edit as well. So without further ado, I bought something from, I can't show you my address, this place. Yeah, I gave my money. I got a little bit impatient, and the big box store in my area did not have it in stock in the most current iteration of it. So I went ahead and bought it the way that I did. So without further ado, let me get into it. It's one of those things that I didn't need it, but I really wanted it. And I'm not trying to like become a collector of this particular kind of item, but the way it turned out, I just went ahead and bought this. And it's, I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on just a second. I've already opened this and I realized I wasn't filming, so I'm kind of redoing this kind of from scratch. Apologize you're not getting the initial first look, but it's good. Okay. Just get this stuff out of the way. I went ahead and got a Boox Palma 2. That's what I did. I'm sorry. I'm not used to filming on the floor. So I bought a Boox Palma 2. It comes in a box that looks like this with the 2 on it. And I don't know if the box difference makes a difference from what color it's on. I've got one that is in the white. It comes in 2 colors. I got the white version, and that's what it looks like in the box. Also in the box, there's like a little false bottom, like that. And, okay, so this looks like, wait a second. This is the little quick guide that you get. Pull that back out so you can hopefully see that. So that tells you everything about it. Okay. Oh, I forgot to like actually mention that. So it's a good thing that I'm looking at it, but there's like a pretty self-explanatory instruction guide on like a quick overview of what the device is. And then in this box, it has on it in the back a SIM card ejector, because the Boox Palma 2 does have the capability of you putting in a micro SD card if you run out of storage. And the Boox Palma 2 has a 6 gigabyte RAM on it, and then it's got 128 storage capacity on it. So there's that. In the box, we have a USB to USB-C charging cable. I don't really need it. I've got plenty of USB-C charging cables, since now I think all of my devices except for the errant Apple that still has like the old charging that goes on top of the back or on the back of the Apple iPhones still uses, my old one still uses a lightning cable. So I have the errant lightning cable on a couple of products, but not too many. So that's that. And there's the USB-C ejecting cord. I think I've got plenty of these too as well in my tech kit. So this is going to kind of stay self-contained in the box. And then the piece de resistance is the actual Palma 2 device. There are slight differences in the Palma 2 versus the Palma 1. This is being very hyped at the current moment, I think, in the world of BookTube. I'm sorry about here. I'm getting notifications coming in through my phone. This is the Boox Palma 2. And the one is still out there, but you can't get it off of the Boox site. They're sold out. And I don't think they're going to recreate it when they've got this one out. In the back of it, it has a camera, which is good for documents. So if you wanted to film, let's just say, something like this, where you're getting the QR code, you know, you could take a snapshot like that, but it's not going to replace your iPhone or any kind of DSLR, mirrorless camera, or modern phone. So don't look for this for high quality. It's really kind of, I would say, emergency snapshotting, not to replace your phone. I love it because look how thin it is. And I got white because I wanted to be able to see it, on the bottom of a bag. You know, a lot of bags for women, on the inside it's black, inside of black, and I just did not want to get a black device because I didn't want to be able to see, not be able to see it, especially in low light conditions. But I felt like white would be kind of, it would bounce. If I had a little bit of light, I could see it. So you've got their branding on it as well. I'll do it this way. Basically, you can see it that way. So the branding is on it in back. That's the camera. I don't know if this is going to flash and give you a light source. It may. Not sure about that. This does have audio capabilities, so you have speakers at the bottom of it. And here's the port to charge the actual device. This is a special function button, so if you can program this. I think you can click it, make it, you know, this does have access. I'm sorry, can't talk, I'm so excited. This does have access to the Google Play Store, and it is running on Android OS 13. Boox Palma, if you can get that version, it's running on Android OS 11. So this has the programmable, like, special function button. You can, like, I think do up to 3 different variations on it. So you could use it to, like, open an app, whatever apps you want to, like, program it to. And then this is the micro SD card holder right here. And then on this, we've got finger point recognition so that you can unlock and lock the device. And then this is a rocker button on the side that will allow you to either control volume, or I think you can program all the buttons on this device. So program it as you see fit. So that is the current unboxing and the giddiness that I'm having around that. I also bought for the Boox Palma 2, because the device is got nice tapered ends and everything, but the glass, I didn't want the glass. I think this is actually plastic. I didn't want it to A, get scratched up, or B, get damaged, because Boox's customer support is pretty notoriously noted as not being the best. So I'm not trying to get anything submitted into them at all. So I went ahead and I purchased a screen protector for it to actually help protect the screen. And I also bought a case for it. So with that, I will probably set this up and show it to you in another video. But if you have any questions about this to me about this, feel free to put it in the comments below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you made it to the end, thank you so much for sticking to the end. And until next time, take care and stay safe. Talk to you later. Bye.